Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll discover how to use the single contour wayline available in the Wayline Assistant package. The single contour wayline type allows farmers to create and use a single path throughout the field, including headland turns. First, tap on Create in the side menu of the map screen. Then select Create Wayline from the submenu. Next, tap on Single Contour to start creating the wayline. Begin by touching Record at the starting position. Start driving, and the path will be automatically recorded. If you need to pause the recording at any time, simply tap on Pause. If you want to straighten a part of your single contour wayline, you can use the Straight Line button. Drive to the point where you want the straight line to stop, then click on the Resume button. The path will turn red again, and the line will be straightened. Once you've completed the entire path, stop the recording by tapping on Stop and name the wayline. The single contour wayline will be shown with a green triangle indicating the start point and a red triangle indicating the stop point. And that's how you create a single contour wayline using the Wayline Assistant option. Now it's your turn to give it a try.